I got another one on my list.
Okay.
On your song list?
Can you sing me a love song? Because you love me. Sing me a love song.
A slow song.
I want a slow love song, please.
Like a lullaby.
Okay. Okay. Let me see which one is on my list.
Okay. And I want like a slow love song.
Check out your set. Yeah. Checking his list.
Okay, next up, Michael Sterling. Woohoo!
Okay, so it's gonna be really good.
Okay.
I want you. You didn't want me, but you want me. And I want you. And you didn't want anybody else. And I want you still. You still want me. You were my girlfriend. That's all.
Aw, thank
That
you.
was beautiful.
Are you?
Huh?
Are you going to hear
It's
it?
making everybody want to cry.
It is making everybody want to cry.
I think Romy tried to ruin
one
it,
more.
and I wanted.
One more?
I wanted to hurt her.
Okay, go ahead.
Get her out of the way. She's gonna go in a cage. She's gonna ruin it.
Romy, get down.
Let's check my list.
Check your list.
Your dog is gonna
Get
ruin
down. Romy.
it. Hey,
Check my list.
and I don't
Check
think
your list.
Did you even hear it? Because she was going.
Yeah, I can hear it. Check your. Okay,
All right?
come
All
on.
right,
Come on.
your dog is pissing me off.
Okay, sing it. Sing it, baby. Okay, come on. You checked your list. Get your song.
Okay,
Okay.
it's not any farm song. It's not.
Not a farm song?
No.
Oh, good.
So it's a really good song.
Okay, sing it.
It's gonna be rocking,
All right.
and it's gonna knock you guys socks off.
Okay.
Watch.
That's the beginning of a rock star. Knock your socks off.
Mhm.
Go on.
You didn't know what I was doing. You didn't know what you were doing.
The angry rock.
And
Mhm.
you ran away. I tried to find you. You didn't know what I was doing. You really didn't. But you really was a good guy. You were a good girl too. Don't you, girl? And she was a good girl. She was a good girl.
Rock on! Woo!
Socks off.
That knocked my socks off.
Whoa!
Didn't it knock your socks off?
Heck yeah, I did. You're the man. You're a real rock star.
Say, I love you, Vegas.
I love you, Vegas.
Woohoo!
Now I just have to break.
No, don't break it. No, don't break your guitar. Don't break it. Don't, yeah, pretend break it. There we go. Okay.
There we go. Awesome. Woohoo! All right. Romy is